here, back with another video. Get your blankets, because we're looking at the creepiest monster sightings that you never believe existed. And this is going to be so scary. So let's start. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Uh, Jeez. Why? Oh, God. Oh, yeah, okay. What was that? Let's just get a replay. Ah! What is that? Was that like a human potato? Like what? Oh, God. That was the creepiest thing probably ever. Until we get on to these next ones, which are probably going to be even creepier. But before we get into that, we have just dropped some new merch. Spider-Man shirts are out now. Go to the first link in my About page and you can see in there we got some Amazon merch. So go check it out. Oh God! Ooh. Godzilla, are you okay? What the heck? That was freaking Godzilla. Just imagine. Just walking home from work. It's a nice day. Probably walking home from a jog. And then you look over, you go to the back of your house, and you look out the window and you just see Godzilla turning your water into a giant, fire pool. What? What does that even... What do you mean? Oh my God! Why is that so scary? It's just a tree monster. What is that, like tree Bigfoot? Excuse me, I know, I'd rather not. Just see Bigfoot, just like with trees all over him. No, I'd rather not have Bigfoot have trees all over his face, because that's poopy. Ew. It's not poopy, but it's just weird. Why would Bigfoot have trees on his head? So if it's not Bigfoot, then what is it? Because that is probably the most terrifying thing I've ever seen on this video. And I don't know why it's so creepy. Like I said, why is stuff like this so creepy? I guess we may never know. Unless someone poops on it. Ew, disgusting. Oh, God. That looks like from Godzilla vs. Megaguirus. Like, oh, God. Why? Just why? Like, what, why? That's all I want to know is why would you do that? That's not smart at all. First of all, you're gonna die. Ew. And now I'm demonetized. Great. Cop the merch. First link in the description. No, first link in the About page. Ew. Oh my God, I'm so demonetized. Like I said, I'm demonetized, so cop the merch. Oh, God. Oh, Jeez, what's that? Is that the Loch Ness Monster confirmed? I didn't even have to make a theory video on whether it's real or fake. Ow, I already did. And this kind of proves that it's real. Like, what? I don't know if that's Loch Ness Lake. It probably is not. It's probably just a fake video. But still, like, this is so weird. Also, it doesn't really make sense for the Loch Ness Monster to just, hop out of the water. Like, what? Who does that? Literally no one. So yeah. I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. My battery is dying, so I will upload this video. The day that it comes out is going to be this Saturday, but I'm recording it on this Monday. Here's a chart to show. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay awesome, and I will see you next time. Peace.